Who God bless, no man curse. When bad mind people, I wish for the worst. Them want me see the earth, but I jam me put first. Me nah walk no voodoo for me sang bird. Right now, man, boss well like kite. Me can't do talk, I might miss my flight. They chain me and wear my line, new eyesight. Me pull up in a Rolls Royce, them and say me hype. Man, I pressure them, pressure them, pressure them.
Check. Wagwan people, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nanda, you know a boss in our building. And today in this episode, I will be reacting to a brand new Deva Bratt track just dropped. Today, this reaction is gonna be epic, bro. Me just see the dog drop a song and honestly, me take a listen of it, bro. And the first listen me I say, yo, this Ghana leading a dog. This Ghana road, bro. You see that new track with Deva Bratt drop? Bro, you better jump on it, cause brother, this gone through the gate. So, before further ado, let's just get right into the reaction, cause trust me people, all radio station need to play this right now. So let's jump right into the bad reaction.
No man curse. When bad mind people, I wish for the worst.
Pull up.
Only see the earth, but I jam me put first. Me now.
Pull up.
Oh God bless, no man curse.
Yeah.
When bad mind people, I wish for the worst.
Wow.
They only see the earth, but I jam me put first. Me now walk no voodoo for me sandbag.
Hey.
Right now man boss well like
right.
Me can't do talk, I might miss my flight. They chain me and wear my line, new eyesight. Me pull up in a Rolls Royce, them and say me hype. Man I pressure them. So call the ambulance when man a
bro, this song tough, brother. Brother, I miss them kind of music, dog. Brother. Me tired of the brother chop the line and bang the line. And them we are talking about real music. Brother. Come like me gone back in 2016, 2015, brother. Back in them time. And them song around the place, dog. Bumbuckly, brother. Who do you need for Lego the gate? Lego the man shirt, brother. Fly the gate, cause right now, that song you gonna lead, brother. Man, I pressure them. Me not no more stress again. Yo, pull up this bumbuckly again, dog. Lego the man shirt, Lego him shirt. No. Guys. Yeah.
Pressure them.
Yo, call the ambulance and get a stretch of them. Yo, Bumbuckler, this song gonna lead, dog. This song gonna lead, bro. I'm letting you reach far in that song. Come let me get a nostalgic feeling. Nostalgia take over the whole of me, bro. Deva Bratt, I saw you did bad, youth. He man underrated on a different level, bro. Yo, the man smart, you know. The man run off a cartel and see that the man create himself a one lane for himself, dog. Tune back a tune, the man a jack, bro. Tune back a tune. And that one ya, brother, that one ya gone, dog. And I like him a really take no shots off anybody, but I music the man a sing that. Yo, pull up this blood cleat again, dog. No man curse.
When bad mind people, I wish for the worst. You want me see the earth, but I jam me put first.
Yeah.
Me now walk no voodoo for me sandbag. Right now man boss well like kite. Me can't do talk, I might miss my flight. They chain me and wear my line, new eyesight. Me pull up in a Rolls Royce, them and say me hype. Man I pressure them. So call the ambulance and get a stretch on them.
What?
Man I pressure them.
What you say? Oh!
Pressure them. Step out well clean down, fresh again then. Pressure them.
Hey, pressure them. We have come again, Deva Bratt. We are said to me,
When bad mind people, I wish for the worst.
What? Brother, music youth.
Now walk no voodoo for me sandbag.
No. bustle like kite. You really bustle a bumbo clot. Hey, this bustle like kite. Blind the eyesight.
Pressure them. So call the ambulance and get a stretcher then. When man a pressure them. Dropped up Bentley, young Bentley.
Man a press again.
When man a pressure them. Step out well clean out fresh again.
What?
Pressure them. Me pressure them. Right down the hotter than a
Pressure cooker.
man a no pet.
Bumbo clot. Don't me hotter than a pressure cooker. Man a no petty shooter. Hey.
Put a foot in the kitchen and see who are the cooker. Them said the body shoot up them and they ride up on a scooter.
Hey, how the man a flow so man? Bumbo clot. How the man a flow so dog? They know me hotter than a pressure cooker. Man a no petty sh- Hey. Jesus Christ, Deva Bratt. When say about Vegas and Ricky Chupa?
Pressure them. Right down the hotter than a pressure cooker. Man a no petty pusher. Put a foot in the kitchen and see who are the cooker. Them said the body shoot up them and they ride up on a scooter. Talk them a talk about see Vegas and Ricky Chupa.
Hey, I would have said to me dog. Me never know I saw the dog with wicked brother. Bumbo clean. They wanna really miss from dancehall to blood clock. I ain't see two like them and chop again dog. This boss way now. This boss way you fuck.
Pressure them. So call the ambulance and get a
Shut again.
when man a pressure them. Dropped up Bentley, young Bentley.
Man a press again.
When man a pressure them. Step out well clean out fresh again then. Pressure them. Me pressure them. Right down the hotter than a pressure cooker. Man a no petty pusher. Put a foot in the kitchen and see who are the cooker. Them said the body shoot up them and they ride up on a scooter.
Yo! Bumbo clot. Hey, what?
Pressure them.
Pressure them, Deva Bratt. Pressure them.
My girlfriend do new VVS.
Buy my girlfriend you two VBS again. Man, I pressure them. We never got no when I sang it and the song a run the road, bro. What? Yeah. Brother, this song gone in the dog. This song gone. Deva Bratt. Anyway you hear Deva Bratt, brother, nobody can tell you nothing, brother. His song gone a road. The amount of comments where people must say in the comment section for the song, bro, his song gone. It gone. Yeah, sweat, bro. Look at sweat. So you know I'm a capping, bro. Man, I pressure them. Wow.
Pressure them. When we fly out at the private jet again.
True.
Pressure them. VVS step on me chest again. Pressure them. Me pressure them. Oh God bless.
No man cares.
When bad mind people I wish for
Me.
first. They want me see the earth, but I jam me put first. Me now walk no voodoo for me sandals. Right now man.
Bustle like kite.
Me can't do that, I might miss.
Hey, you have to run it back in there, dog. You have to run it back. Can you see first verse? The first verse a while ago, the man I said, right now me a turn on a pressure cooker. It gone now. Yo, radio station. Anybody on the radio station, any DJ on the radio station, draw for this guy, this gonna lead. This gonna lead. Yeah. I will not start till them song a bus where you know you, cause that song a gone. Man, fly the gate. Let go in t-shirt. What? Dad, never know so Deva Bratt did bad, dog. Me a sweat the fuck.
Put a foot in the kitchen and see who are the cooker. Them said the body shoot up them and they ride up on a scooter. Talk them a talk about see Vegas and Ricky Chupa. And them in them super. This is no super soaker.
Please don't make your blood stop. Please don't make your blood splash no nasty up that suit here. Yo. Hey man, gone brother.
Pressure them. Me now no more financial stress again.
Brother, the song full of style and pattern. The pattern different and full of style, bro. Yo, the dog style. The way how the man deal with the song that it remind me of somebody, but me not gonna say it on that. Me not gonna say it in another episode here. It remind me of somebody, brother. The style and the pattern with that song, dog. Me not gonna say it on that episode. I can't know now. We not gonna pre me. We not say yo, you can't compare dog to Ray. You see me? But we not gonna say, but who you know in the comment section? Make me know who you think that style and that pattern that I Deva Bratt style and pattern. Me not take out that from him, but tell me who you think that style are fit. That style are just the style and pattern different, dog. It's not like the same way you see I go on right now. That style are different, dog. And at the same time, nostalgic feeling off of them type of style. You know remember them type of music that them type of music run the road and not stop running the road, bro.
Pressure them. My girlfriend do new VVS again.
Flow.
Pressure them. Pressure them. Be a truth on the internet again. We are know it. Level up them and they on the higher heights.
What?
Now lose my focus, me I the back the price. Bank
Yeah.
account grow like it get fertilized. Cypress music get a certain.
Good music, you know.
Diamond in the rough, producer does not realize.
Man a diamond in the rough, but not for just a realize. Man say my diamond in the rough. Not just a realize. Me just a realize too. Respect to Deva Bratt, bro. Respect, man. Just a realize. You see thing called consistency. I you know. I run road, you know. You see if you're consistent on where you want, bro. Brother, I it out forward, brother. Well, whatever you want out there, from your consistent in it off forward. Nobody can tell you nothing. Pressure them. Neck again. True. One more play, dog. Yo, produce. Yo, big up to the producer, dog. Big up to the producer, dog. Cause if I never to the producer, brother, the way the beat, see the way the man sit up on the beat, dog. Engineer, producer, big up on yourself, brother. Cause you see the record here. Now watch it hype. Now watch the streets hype, bro. Cause this good music, live on it will take it will take its course. Me I tell you, it will take its course, bro.
Pressure them.
Right now, me I turn them a pressure cooker, man and the petty pusher.
But my people I wish for the worst. The more me see the earth, but I jam me put first.
True.
Now walk no voodoo for me sandals.
No.
Right now man,
Bust sweat like kite.
me can't do that, I might be
Ice, yeah.
Change me away.
White blind the eyesight.
Me pull up in the Rolls Royce, them a say me hype. Man I pressure them.
Yo, remember Gaza.
The ambulance I get a stretcher.
Aye.
When man I pressure them.
Hey, I miss them music, bro. But no, I don't miss them too. Pressure them.
Step out well clean out.
Fresh again.
Pressure them.
Me pressure them.
Me pressure them. Right down me hotter than a pressure cooker. Man I no petty pusher. Put a foot in the kitchen.
I see why you the cooker.
Them say them a the shoot up, them a the ride up on a scooter. Talk them a talk about see Vegas and Ricky Cooper. Come on them in them super. This a no super soaker. Eat them food cheap like a box of food a super.
You see how much you want to repeat the verse then, bro? Cause man, it's stuck in your ears. And definitely it's stuck in my one. But no, it must stuck in a food one.
Pressure them. Me now no more financial stress again.
Oh, fuck that. Yo. Me no know if you not hear me a hear, bro. Cause Jah know that. No capping, bro. The thing bust like kite. It gone.
Pressure them. Step out well clean.
I'm fresh again. Wow.
Pressure them. Be a true on the internet again.
After that, my pressure cooker, man, and no petty pusher. Ugly, bro. This shit crazy. Bust you like guys. You know it go already, bro. You know it go. Well, that is the end of this episode. You know it go. Vibes and Insight with Nando. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think about that song, because I know I see him vibe when I pick up, right? I know. Just let me know in the comment section. And remember, if you leave a like and a comment and subscribe to Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know how we are represent, you know? For youths them, out and bad. Respect, peace.